Okay, Jed na lang. Give it to Danny, Jed. Give it to Danny.
Naman na sila, di ba? Kids? Okay. Isa na lang, Kuya G.
That's enough na.
Okay, nakalagay na tayo ng cornmeal, everybody. Meron na po. Taas ang kamay kung nailagay yung cornmeal.
Kids, paalala, huwag natin pisilin yung dough kasi may tendency titigas mo yan, okay?
That's enough na.
Yun po. Done. Press nyo lang. Okay. Yan. Yes, sir. Box to flatten the dough. Yan. Yan. Kuya Jigs. Okay. Kahit anong shape yung fit sa doon natin kids, mapa-heart shape, star shape, half moon, pwede din siya po. Stretch natin. Okay.
Guys, na natin, paano malaki yung stretching natin?
Avoid nyo lang na mapunin yung dough.
Okay, avoid natin mapunit or mabutasan yung dough. Okay, kids? I-stretch lang natin dahan-dahan, okay?
Donut clean na po.
Kailangan natin hatiin para yung air lalabas sa dough. Okay? Kasi pag hindi manitin, nandun pa rin yung air sa loob ng dough. So, kailangan natin i-release yung air. Very good.
baby ba kayo?
Eh,
Parang oil to.
palm oil yan. Very specific ang Chinese sa palm oil at sa brand ng oil na ginagamit natin.
Tingnan niyo muna yung gagawin ko bago kayo para mas maganda yung pizza natin.
Kids, nandito pala si Principal Joey. Siya ang ating principal.
Ayan.
Kuya Jigs, paano
Okay,
na?
watch natin si Kuya Cheeks. Paano siya mag-brush ng... Okay.
Okay, para hindi didikit yung dough sa ating tray, mamaya.
Kaya na.
Alam niyo yung mga senior citizen namin, dahil health conscious, kung konti ang ilalagay nilang oil, dumidikit po. Kaya mas madali mong turuan ng mga bata. Nagturo kami ng mga
Okay.
senior citizen na talaga as in mga 65 and above. Mas madaling turuan ng mga bata. Just in case mo na gusto mong birthday ng mga anak mo with the JPM birthday party, para maiba naman po, pwede naman po. We offer a JPM birthday party package. Alam mo, I'm so happy kasi yung mga kids wala pa kinakain ng pineapple and mango. Kasi may mga JPM kami na nagiging classic cheese na lang yung pizza nila. Wala na toppings. Nakain na po. You wanna dance with me? Oh, great.
Okay. Ngayon ayos pa si...
The cheese. I love cheese. Let's eat. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy.
Give it to Dainy.
Wait, it's making.
sauce natin.
Where's your pizza sauce? The red sauce. Okay, that's your pizza sauce. So finally, kids, we are now beginning to make the toppings of the pizza. Tapos na yung dough preparation natin. So now we will put the toppings on our pizza. First, we start with your pizza sauce.
Tingin ko na sa akin.
O, panoorin lang si Kuya G.
Dito kasi sa Chinese may ginagamit kami ganito.
Gitna. Sa gitna po.
Okay, watch po natin si Kuya Jinx Kids. Yan. From inner to outer. Yan.
From
Yan.
inner, circular motion. So, you spread the pizza sauce
Huwag na, Jed. Jed. Jed.
from inner to outer. You pour all the pizza sauce in the middle. Don't worry, that has
Huwag natin lagyan ng pizza sauce yung inagyan natin ng oil kanina. Okay, sa gitna lang. Huwag sa outer niya ilagay yung pizza sauce.
circle. Ibang lang po yan. Pabilog, ikot-ikot, pabilog, ikot-ikot. Hanggang malagyan po natin ng sauce doon sa edge ng ating lip. Pero yung lip, huwag natin lalagyan ng pizza sauce. Dito sa spoon, ito na rin ang pang-measure natin. So, one like this, one pizza, one ilang yan ito? 259 ml is good for one regular size pizza.
Spread natin mabuti yung pizza sauce natin. Okay?
Okay. Nailagay na natin yung pizza sauce natin, kids.
Yan. Yan. Naglalagay si Kuya Jinx from outer to inner. Yan.
Labas hanggang paloob. Bakit po? At ngayon naman, mag-uumpisa tayo palabas hanggang paloob. Kasi po, ina-avoid natin yung tinatawag natin na center loading. Kasi pag mabigat po sa gitna ng ating pizza, pag kinuha na natin yung slice ng pizza natin, mahuhulog po lahat ng toppings. Mabigat po yung gitna. So, ina-avoid po natin ang center loading. So, from outer to inner. Mula sa labay of outer to inner. Yung gilid muna ng pizza natin sa labas. Tapos, sprinkle natin paloob.
Okay. Yan. Simula atin tikman na yung cheese.
Siyan dami natin nilalagay na cheese sa ating pizza.
We hope you like the video. Subscribe.
Kids, lalagay natin lahat ng big cheese, ha? Go yung ating big cheese. Para masarap yung ating pizza.
Okay. Bahit ng mga kids natin today. Yan. Yan.
Kuya Nelly. Kuya Nelly.
Okay lang. Basta sa akin, gagawin ko standard pizza namin. Pizza natin. Kung gusto nyo ng
Pero dito sa Shakey's, again, we put our pineapple outer to inner, evenly distributed. No center loading. Okay?
Spread it, Jay. Spread it. Look at Danny. Like that. Spread it. Hey, your pizza's looking good. Kuya James, may Valentine natin today. I'm so excited to see it. Ang pinaka-loaded na pizza dito sa Shakey's is the Belly Buster. It has 11 toppings. Yun talaga yung meat delicious. Tahimik nila, nagko-concentrate. You can put all, you have to put all the toppings. So your pizza will be yummy, yummy. See? Mommy, whatever the design, your kids' pizza is pizza perfect. Okay? We're done. Very good. Kids, we have just one more topping left. And then, mommies, you can take a picture with your kids' pizza before we finally put the pizza in the oven. Ako po ang bababaw magluluto ng pizza ng anak ko. Okay, kids, nilagay na ba lahat ng ham? See, so the pizza here in Shakey's is so cheesy. Again, that's mozzarella and cheddar cheese. So later, let's cook your pizza. Put it in the oven. See, yummy the cheese. So you get your slice of pizza, meron string yan ng cheese, and that's the mozzarella cheese. Okay? Are we done? I'll see you later, kids. I think we have a guest today. We have a special guest today. You wait for it, kids, while I will be cooking your pizza. Someone will be coming to congratulate all of you.
That person.
I'll see you